This video is on our fantastic new 5 megapixel IP Wi-Fi camera and its app, and how to use the app and the settings on the app. The app is a generic app. It's free, you can download it, called CamHi, and it's accessible on iPhone, iPad, as well as Android. And today we're going to just demo on an Apple iPhone 6, but it'll be very similar in the Android environment. So on previous video I showed you how to connect up your camera directly to your camera, to your phone or your tablet, and this video is just to show you the settings of the app. So we've got it all connected up and it's loaded, and you'll probably see me moving around here. So on the actual camera, on the display itself, you'll see there's a icon for audio, and you can turn that on and off, and you can take a still, and it'll take a snapshot, or you can video directly. Now this camera is transmitting straight to the phone, and this you can actually record a live feed straight away. So and you click the record, you see a little record icon, and you can stop it at any time. Now this is besides the onboard recording, which it'll record anyway. This is if you're using your phone and you see something you just really want to quickly view it, you can or record it. You can do. You see when I'm moving here, you can see a little box that appears around my face. That's just highlighting any movement. So it's got a little bit of intelligent AI built into it. So then it knows that there is movement there. So which is really good for sort of Wi-Fi, wireless recording. There's a little option here. You can jump between SD recording. This is a little icon here. Jump between SD recording, SD display, or HD. If you click the HD, the quality just jumps massively. So, but but you can have it on standard definition if you want to. So. And those are all the settings at the bottom. This setting up here, you can either flip the image, sort of mirror it so it's the other way around, or you can flip it upside down. So if you have the camera upside down or the wrong way around and you want it the right way around, you can quickly flip it. It's even got sort of zoom and focus and that. This is mainly for the pan, tilt and zoom cameras. This doesn't have that feature, but you can just manually zoom by just pinching your fingers and just zoom right in and just see the definition. The quality is so high that you can just use that, and it's using a kind of a digital zoom really. So and that's great for just keeping an eye on things. So if you've got a wildlife camera, you can quickly look at the settings and everything. And then you've got other ways to do alerts, and we won't press into that for the moment. And then also you've got different color and calibrations for the camera through the app, so which you can adjust if you want to. So that's the app directly on the through the app or on the camera. You can, if you just quit out of the camera, so you quit out of the camera, as you see it just displays there, and you'll see a little cog there. If you tap the little cog, and as you can see on the actual on the settings, you can change the password. So you can just go into that. You can change the password for the camera. That's the camera, not the Wi-Fi. So you can quickly change that. We've got alarm settings, and this is where you can set motion recording. So it's already on at the moment, and you can draw a box or just draw a little area where you want the sort of the motion to detect. So if you don't want to detect in this area, you leave that area out. If you want the whole screen, you just pull the whole screen. And then it's also got its at the bottom there it's got the sensitivity, so you can move the slider up and down, and don't forget to click apply. So that will record motion onto the camera. You've got an alarm which you can have it trigger if it sees any motion or anything like that. Don't necessarily need to use that. Action with alarm, you can actually have it notify, or you can set the camera to record the SD card recording when there's motion. So basically, if you've got the card in the camera, you can actually just set that and it'll record. You can even configure it to email you or take snapshots if you want to, or even make an audible alarm. You can play around with all those settings, so which are very, very useful. In the recording schedule, it normally records for about 600 seconds. You can enable it to record. It'll record the main stream or the substream. There's two streams on most IP cameras, and you record either one of theirs. The second stream or the substream is just the lower stream, the lower res resolution version, or the main highest resolution, which is the first stream. So you can tell it to record the length of time and which stream you want. Audio settings, you can change the audio. It's already got a mic built in, and you can change the volume, the output volume as well. Video settings, you can change anything about the video settings. You see, there's a whole load to play with. You can change the resolution, the bit rate, which is the amount of the quality of the picture, and the speed rate, and also the frames per second, which is at the moment set to 15 frames per second. That's ample. Normal videos normally 30 frames per second, but 15 is absolutely fine. And then the quality, 1 being the highest to 6 the lowest, and then they've got settings for the second stream. And also the frequency. You don't have to worry about those, but you can change a few of the settings and see if it suits you. In the Wi-Fi settings, you don't have to change this if you're just connecting up to your mobile phone directly, but if you want to connect to or allow the camera to connect to your router instead, you jump into this Wi-Fi settings. We will show you on another video on how to do that. That's done through the Wi-Fi manager. So do that, and then you've got the SD card setting. Now at the moment there's no SD card in there, but when you pop it in there, it'll say total size and the free size. Again, we'll show in another video on how to use that. Time setting, you can change the time or set it to similar to your device. Email setting, you can actually put in your settings for, say, your Gmail or something, and it'll actually push a notification through your email and come through as an email to you, and then close a pic if you want to. And same with the FTP setting. FTP is basically another way of connecting to the web. You can actually take files and push them up to the web and record. You won't need to do that because it's going to be recording on the SD card. And then system setting, you won't need to go in here, but if you wanted to reboot the camera, restart the camera, or reset it to factory settings. And then the last one is basically all the settings for the camera and its device. So basically that is it. That's the app on how to do it. And as you see, you've got the settings for the camera, but down at the bottom, you can click on picture or camera or video. What we'll do is we'll show you in later videos on how to do the recording and using the buttons at the bottom to retrieve the recordings on the SD card using those settings. So I hope that helps. If you like the video, please do push the like button. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please recommend us to friends and family, because we'd love more people to be using this nice bit of kit. And do send us your comments, and if you're missing something or need some more information, do let us know and we'll be happy to help. Hope you like the video, and can't wait to demo some more of this amazing technology in future videos. Thanks for watching. Cheers.